In the 2024-25 fiscal year, California Governor Gavin Newsom reduced funding for wildfire and forest resilience programs by over $100 million. These cuts included $5 million from CAL FIRE's fuel reduction teams and $28 million from state conservancies dedicated to wildfire resilience. This budget reduction preceded recent wildfires in the Los Angeles area that have destroyed over 10,000 buildings and resulted in at least 5 deaths. Newsom's director of communications labeled reports of these budget cuts as a ridiculous lie, asserting that since taking office in 2019, the governor has doubled the state's firefighting resources and increased forest management efforts tenfold.